baby.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is featuring Harlem 125 unit SLY10 in the color Hot Pink. This is how the unit looks straight out of the box. She's a super realistic Glueless Ultra HD undetectable lace wig. She does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, an elastic band and adjustable straps with a deep side parting space and pre-made baby hairs. So this is how the unit looks on me. I just wanted to fill her out before I installed her. If you know me, you know me and Pink go way back, so I was very excited for this. Okay, first things first, I'm pinning the hair back and then going to cut the ear tabs off on each side of the lace so that it fits my head properly. I start off with cutting 3 sections. I go in lightly with the Ghost Bond glue around the perimeter and taking the end of my comb to smoothen it back and forth onto my skin. This will help it last longer and dry evenly. You're gonna want to blow dry on medium heat for about 30 seconds. I'm going in with another round of the Ghost Bond glue for a better and secure hold. So I did apply this glue 3 times in total. Once the glue gets tacky, I pull the lace down and press directly with my fingertips on all sides. I'm going in with the Got To Be Free spray for extra hold while using a comb and blow dryer just so that it spreads throughout evenly. At this point, I did apply my elastic headband and I'm just going to cut off the extra lace so that it doesn't bother my eyes. I'm going in with the blow dryer on the highest heat setting just so that the lace can melt really well onto my skin. For a more natural look, I always cut my lace off in a zigzag motion. I went in with my eyebrow razor for the other 2 sides. I am starting to like using this method instead of the cutting. It's just way easier. I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation for a more soft and seamless look. Here I am going in with the pressing comb, just to get those little humps out and make sure she's laying really flat. Make sure that you're also getting your back. I know that we can see the front, but everyone else can see your back. As far as my baby hairs, I pull out a thin layer and trim them to my liking. Reminder, you do not have to do this step. Right here, I am just using the Got To Be Free spray to style and lay my baby hairs down. So I'm giving her a brush and I'm just so in love with this hot pink. It honestly looks just like the pink that's dyed on my hair right now underneath this wig. This unit is 42 inches long and she is heat safe up to 400 degrees, but I honestly did cut her waist length before installing her. So here's the final look of this unit. She is very big head friendly. She was still super big after me just tightening the cap. She is soft and has a light yaki feeling to her. I really wasn't able to keep my hands off because I just loved the way she felt. The only con I had about this unit is that she tangled at the ends so bad. I even cut her off camera at bra strap length and she was still tangling, so be mindful of that. She does also shed. This is some of the shedding that I got, so you also want to be mindful of that. I thought this was literally a great wig besides the tangling. She was super easy to install and come on, you cannot say no to that color. Well, there you have it. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye. You were my vibe. Should've made you my vibe. Should've did everything to make you happy, baby.